pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
Hey gems, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi. I'm real glad you clicked on this video. I do hope that you will stay and take a chance on this channel and think about subscribing before the end of it. And for my returning gems, I'm so glad you're back. I have an unboxing for you today, and it is the the Ipsy Glam Bag X, the one that comes every 3 months, and that is $55, and I forget how many items, 8 to something, I don't know, are in it. Anyhow, I got it today, so we are going to open it together and see if I wasted my money or not. Alright, let's open her up. There's always like a newspaper in here, and it's got the prices on it, I believe. So let's see. Of course, we have Halsey on here. She was our curator. This box is made up of the celebrities that have shared their favorite products with Ipsy. So let's see what we got in here. Ooh. All right, so open this up. Let's check some things out. All right, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 products. And let's start off with the new Topical Microbiome Repair the Skin Barrier. This is a cleanser. Okay. It's got a little pump. A pretty light scent, at least I think that's that, not my perfume. I don't know. I will put the price for you on the screen. If I can, unless it's, oh, it's right here. $42. Wow. Okay. All right, let's move on. I have something by Tarte. High Performance Naturals Clay Pot. Amazonian Clay Waterproof Liner. I think I did choose this. I wasn't real happy with the choices. I did want to try a different type of eyeliner. I'm so stuck on black. Oh my gosh, they got this box and this tiny little thing in the top of it. All right, let's see. Yeah, let's see. Oh, she's pretty, but oh my goodness, it's so small. I think I can fit my pinky in here. Oh, wait a minute. Oh no. There was barely any pigment. Let's swatch it. Alright, so this is a liner that's going to have to be built up, and it's super, super creamy. So the consistency is just, it's going to be build up. Make sure that it doesn't bunch too. So this should be interesting. I'll definitely have to try that out and let you guys know what I think. Let me go on and see what else we got. Briogeo Farewell Frizz. I've been looking for this. My hair has been frizzy. It's summertime. Y'all know what I mean. Oh, let me see if I can find the prices. Let's see. Okay. The Tarte liner was $21. I don't know why they call it clay pot. It's definitely not the consistency of clay at all whatsoever. And then the Briogeo, let me see, $24. I do like this brand. No safety seal. Nice fresh scent, but definitely, I don't like frizzies. My daughter's got curly hair, and her hair frizzes up, I mean, all the time. It just, walk outside, changes. Okay, let's go in and see what else we got. I have got what looks like a highlight. Light Lock Highlight Fluid. About Face. So this is Halsey's brand. This is actually pretty big. Let's see. I know I've seen this, what the bottle looks like. Okay. Yeah. Hi. Oh my goodness. Here it is here. with its top. I do think the packaging is kind of cute. All right, let me tell you the price on this, and then we'll try this bad boy out. It is $32. Wow, okay. So here we hear the little like, ooh, let me see. Let's put her next to the eyeliner. Blend her out. Look at that. That's beautiful. Like super beautiful. Like, do I want to try that? Maybe. Let's see. Let's see. For those of you that like a blinding highlight, this is for you. All right. Let me just try a little dab. Woo! Yeah. Okay. A tiny little dab. Oh my gosh. You will have this. It's definitely going to go bad by the time you use it all. Because you definitely cannot put it on without touching your skin and getting to the point where you just a little bit, I mean, my gosh, goes a long way with these things. Tiny on my nose. Okay, I'm liking the highlighter. Let's see, what else do we have? By Herbivore, Emerald, Hemp Seed, Adaptogens, Deep Moisture Glow Oil. Okay. Let's try this. Herbivore Botanical, $72 value. Shut up. Oh my gosh. Ooh, I like the color. Let's see if she's got a scent. Oh. Okay, not one that I like. I do like the color. It's got a little dropper. It's a serum basically, and it is for deep moisture. Now let me just see something here. Deep moisture. Because you know you can use serums other places than just your face. I just want to see what the glow is like here. Okay. It's definitely very moisturizing. Feels a little greasy. But again, I'm not real dry right there, so this would be helpful for you dry ladies. Okay, let's move on. I remember choosing Charlotte Tilbury. What was she? Is she a lip liner? Pillow Talk, number 2, medium. This is the good stuff. Good stuff. Ooh, I like her packaging too. Look at that. Okay, let's try her out. Oh, I like her. Oh, she's pretty. Ooh, look at that. That would be great with the eyeliner that I'd have to build up 100 times. But look, I'm liking her. Ooh. Definitely take that. Okay, what do we got left? Fenty. Oh wait, what is the value on the lip liner? I love lip liner. I just do. Okay. $22. Ooh, all right. Now this is the Fenty Beauty something. 'Cause I'm black. Cute. Is this mascara? Oh yeah, this is the mascara. Fenty Beauty mascara. $24 value. Help lift, curl, all that fun stuff. I like her. Let's try her out. I like the wand. Can you see that? Okay. I would have thought it would have done a little bit more. Okay. I'll have to try her in another video. Let me see what is left. Oh, this is what makes the whole box. $52. Silk Canvas Filter Finish Protective Primer. Look how big this thing is. Oh, I have been looking forward to this. Oh my goodness. Instructions. Wow. Look at how she's packaged. Oh, wait a minute. Something fell. What is this? It's a plastic piece. Oh, she's in a Ziploc bag. Ooh. Oh, is this, I don't know what this plastic piece is for. This might be to pull the primer out. This is what she looks like. She's kind of heavy. Ooh. Not a bad scent. Look at that. Okay, let me just, I have to. super smooth. But you ain't gonna be able to put it on with your finger. Maybe this little doohickey helps get it up. Yeah, I don't know if that sounded right, but you guys know what I meant. Okay, so let me just put some on myself here and see what she does after blending her out, and then we will recap. Okay. Yeah, you're definitely gonna need something to get it out with. This is one of those primers you're going to have to use very sparingly because it can bunch up. You definitely want to let it sit before you put anything on it. But it looks pretty good, to be honest with you. I'm definitely going to have to try that in another video. Okay, so let's recap with everything. And see, I mean, I got no eyeshadow palette. I was not going to spend a fortune on add-ons either. Not at all. This is definitely worth it, the touch-up in itself. So I've got that. I've got the Pillow Talk Lip Liner, the Fenty Mascara, the Herbivore Moisturizer Oil. I got the Briogeo treatment there for your hair, non-frizz. I got the Tarte Gel Liner. That's going to have to be built up. Then I got the new cleanser, the highlighter, and I think that was it, right? 8 products. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think so. I think that was everything. Okay, guys, did you get the Glambag X? Were you disappointed with it? Were you happy with it? I'll put the total value of my box on the screen. I believe it was $265, which is the lowest value that I've gotten yet. I would have liked to have seen an eyeshadow palette in here. That would have made it just extravagant for me, and I would have loved that. Overall, it's not a bad box. I can't see myself using all of these items right away, but again, you're getting quite a bit for $55, and this kind of made it worth it in my opinion. And I do like the other products in here, so overall I have to say I'm pretty happy with it. But now I need to know your thoughts down in the comments below. Tell me everything, have a discussion with me there. Tell me what you think of this. Tell me if you liked my box. Tell me if you saw another unboxing and you liked that one better. Let me know, and definitely let me know because I want to see what the other people got too. Alright guys, thanks so much for joining me for this video. I do hope you enjoyed it. If you did, would you give it a thumbs up for me? And I will see you guys real soon in another video. Bye!